Every KFC chicken begins its journey long before the kitchen.
Controlled farms ensure consistency from the very first stage. Environment, nutrition, and care define quality.
Precision feeding supports uniform growth.
Hydration is monitored down to every drop.
Health checks are constant and systematic.
Climate control keeps conditions stable year-round. Harvest preparation begins with calm handling.
Stress-free handling protects meat quality.
Every unit is standardized for transport.
Logistics start at the farm gate.
Traceability is logged at the source.
Biosecurity protects every stage ahead.
Cold chain transport preserves freshness. The journey to the KFC processing facility begins. From farm to factory, timing is everything. Cold chain transport preserves quality without pause.
Temperature control never breaks.
Distance is measured in precision.
Confirming delivery for batch ID 739, ETA is 0 to 900 hours.
Every shipment is accounted for.
The next phase awaits behind factory walls.
Access is controlled, monitored, verified.
Verification ensures traceability.
Raw material enters the production chain.
Every meter is designed for flow. Precision positioning matters.
Contamination is kept out.
Systems never stop protecting the product.
Processing begins the moment doors open.
The factory takes control. Behind these walls, precision replaces farming.
Entry begins under strict control.
Temperature discipline is enforced immediately.
Material flow begins without delay. Design eliminates unnecessary stops.
Clean entry is non-negotiable. Industrial order replaces farm chaos. Human handling gives way to automation.
Every batch is digitally tracked.
Flow is engineered, not improvised.
Human oversight remains essential.
Cleanliness is built into the structure. Timing is calibrated to the second. Preparation is about to begin. This is where processing truly starts. Cleaning begins before any processing takes place. Nothing enters the line unclean.
Even waste is carefully controlled.
Human eyes verify machine work.
Access is controlled and gentle.
Handling defines final quality.
Uniform spacing enables precision.
Standards are enforced by experience.
Only approved product moves on.
1,000 feet, 1 into it.
Cleanliness is layered, not rushed.
Safety checks remain constant.
Data guides every decision.
Flow is continuous, never broken.
Preparation is complete. Transformation begins here.
This is where raw becomes refined.
Accuracy begins with alignment. Machines replace inconsistency.
Humans guide precision.
Uniformity is engineered.
Flow replaces fragmentation.
Cleanliness is constant. Technology never blinks. Standards never bend.
Consistency is measurable.
Core processing is complete.
Every second is recorded.
Experience validates automation.
The next transformation approaches.
Flavor begins its journey. Flavor is engineered, not guessed. Every bite starts with balance. Motion creates uniformity.
Nothing is wasted.
Texture is carefully built.
Control defines crunch. This is where crunch is born. Pressure creates perfection. Only what belongs remains.
Signature texture is deliberate.
Patience improves structure.
Science protects consistency.
Human standards still matter. Heat completes the transformation.
This is where flavor locks in.
Automation maintains perfection at scale. Heat is measured, not assumed. Timing defines texture. Clean oil preserves flavor.
Machines respond instantly.
Transformation is complete.
Efficiency follows every step.
Cooling stabilizes structure.
Safety is verified instantly. Precision replaces randomness. Data drives consistency. Automation still answers to people. Production adapts to demand. Order is absolute. Finishing defines readiness. Finishing begins with stability. Crunch is visually verified.
Human precision complements machines. Human precision complements machines.
Balance takes a moment.
Consistency is measurable.
Standards never pause. Precision prepares efficiency. Balance protects quality.
Readiness is confirmed.
The end approaches.
Presentation matters.
Form meets function.
Everything has its place.
The final stage begins.
These spores eyes is exactly in depth. As written a wing at into the clue as he said. It's a
Quality is never assumed.
Presentation reflects standards.
Security is tested, not trusted.
Accuracy is measurable. Safety is verified internally.
Science confirms safety.
Standards are scientifically enforced. Purity is proven. Data closes the loop. Only approved product moves forward. Transport resilience is tested.
Accountability is personal.
Approval opens the path.
Every box tells its story.
The final journey begins.
Scale demands structure. Protection is engineered. Identity follows every unit.
Storage preserves readiness.
Space is used efficiently.
Visibility ensures control.
Demand triggers motion.
Timing meets logistics.
The chain reconnects.
Prepared for delivery.
Millions of meals, perfectly aligned.
And this is how modern factories produce KFC fried chicken from start to finish.
The journey continues beyond these walls.
Industry never sleeps.